Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add flashes on CapCut. So guys, at first choose your video. Now tap on overlay. Tap on add overlay. Now go to stock videos and select white video. Tap on add. Now adjust the white image all over the video. Then tap on blend. Tap on overlay. Go back and tap on animation. Tap on out and select fade out. Now go back. Now adjust to your liking. Now play the video. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.